Yo, hey everybody, it's Von7 here, and I'm going to be doing a review on Donna Love. This is a gorgeous 26-inch pastel pink, long, beautiful hair. I just can't stop thinking about all the cosplay that I can do with this gorgeous piece of hair. Okay guys, so this product does come with a hair wig brush, and this is a very thick synthetic wig, and it's really gorgeous. And I actually have a coupon code for 25% off. Just type in Von, that's V-O-N, and this website is Donalovehair.com. Donalovehair.com. And I definitely recommend that you guys trim off the front lace. This is a front lace wig, and if you guys have never worn a front lace wig before, it's really super easy. Just pop it on your hair and then cut it to where it looks natural with your hairline, and you can bring it down lower if you want. I'm gonna give you guys a few tips and tricks on how to wear this wig, how to style it. As you can see, it's really beautiful, and I love the pastel pink color. I'm going to show you guys how this color looks like outside, because I feel like when you go outside you can really see the true nature of the color. And you can use a hot tool on this product, but you have to make sure that the setting is super low. Also, if you guys have thick curly hair like I do, be sure to straighten your hair before wearing a wig, and make sure that you wear a really thick hair cap, and make sure one matches the hair color you have. Like, for example, I have a pastel pink synthetic front lace wig, so I want my wig cap to be like a tannish color, and I want it to be really thick. I don't really like the hair nets with the holes on them, because I just feel like it peeks through really quickly. So anywho's, so I'm gonna show you guys a few clips of how the hair looks like. It's really beautiful. Donna Love also carries a wide variety of wigs, synthetic and real, and they have different colors, different textures, different lengths, and you guys won't be disappointed with this product. This wig is the thickest wig I've ever received. I always purchase wigs from Amazon and eBay, and this wig is extremely thick. Also, it's easy to brush and maintain. Don't forget that coupon code VON for 25% off synthetic wigs. Excuse my over exaggerated poses, you know. Filming outside is so interesting when you have people staring at you like, what is this girl doing? Anyways guys, I love you guys so much, and enjoy a few clips of this beautiful long hair by Donalovehair.com. It's so gorgeous. Yay. So enjoy.